How to make a smoothie bowl for healthy, glowing skin. Today I'm going to be making a delicious and nutritious strawberry banana smoothie bowl. First, we're going to start out with some strawberries, which are really high in vitamin C, a cofactor for the synthesis of collagen production. They're also rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to encourage healthy, glowing skin from within. Next, we're going to have blueberries, which are really high in antioxidants that can neutralize free radical damage to support healthy, graceful aging from within. Then we're going to do a banana, which is really rich in potassium to combat the signs of free radical damage and aging. It also helps to flush out any water weight in your body. Then we're going to add cauliflower. Cauliflower adds a really nice creaminess to the smoothie, as well as adding vitamin C, potassium, and fiber, all which help to encourage healthy, glowing skin from within. And if you don't like cauliflower, you can substitute it for half an avocado. Then we're just going to add a little bit of water. Clean, filtered, healthy water, of course. Then we're going to add some chia seed pudding made with coconut milk. Chia seeds are amazing. They're rich in omega-3s, which help to nourish your hair, skin, and nails from within. They're also a healthy fat, which helps to plump up your skin to help fight the signs of fine lines and wrinkles. Then we're going to add our flax seeds. Flax seeds give it a nice boost of healthy fats as well as fiber and omega-3s. Then we're going to add some cinnamon. Cinnamon, this is Ceylon cinnamon, which is considered a true cinnamon. It's really great because it's extra high in antioxidants. It's also going to help to stabilize your blood sugar, which is key when you have a smoothie, especially if you're using a lot of fruit. You want to keep your blood sugar stabilized to help support your mood and your beauty at the same time. And then last but not least, we're going to add some collagen powder. Collagen powder is great because it's a healthy protein, which also helps to support your beauty and your blood sugar. So I usually like to do about 2 level scoops of a collagen powder. Collagen is what our skin's made of, so it's going to help to plump up the fine lines and wrinkles and support graceful aging as well as your digestive health and your mood. And then we're just going to go and blend this all up. And here you go, a healthy, gorgeous, glowing skin smoothie bowl. And if you haven't tried a smoothie bowl, I highly suggest them. It's a great way to remind yourself to chew your smoothies. When we chew, there's enzymes in our mouth that are produced called lipase and amylase that help to break down fats and carbohydrates to help support a healthy gut. So add it to a smoothie bowl. You can add some toppings for a complete meal. It's nutritious and delicious for healthy, glowing skin. Cheers.